When startups are looking for funding, it's sometimes difficult to navigate the field. Tell us about your company.
Well, Gust is the universal platform for early stage financing. So pretty much we have the organized angel world in groups and VCs use our platform to receive applications for their deal flow management system, and we have a suite of tools for entrepreneurs that basically allow them to put their best foot forward to really convey to investors what their business is about, providing all the information that investors care about when considering a deal and considering a company to invest in.
So what happens when I'm a startup, I'm like, I want to try to connect, like what's the process?
Sure. First thing you do, you go to gust.com, you create your startup profile. There are different sections on that profile. There's a section that is public, everybody will be able to see, and all the rest of your company information is private and will be shared only with the groups and investors you want to share with. So in your own terms, you create your profile and then you search our database. It's the most comprehensive investor database in the space. And upon one click, you can share your company profile with these investors to be automatically considered for an investment and get into their deal flow.
What's the average amount that people are looking to seek on Gust?
It varies. It varies a lot depending on the industry. So of course, biotech companies will be seeking traditionally greater amounts than web-based businesses, for example. But we're all early stage, so an angel round can vary anywhere from $250,000 all the way to $500,000, sometimes up to $1 million, but it doesn't typically go above that.
How many investors do you actually have on your site now?
We've been growing. We are in over 65 countries, so that amounts to about 35,000 individual investors using Gust throughout over 750 groups in all these countries.
And what made you create this?
It's always been the passion of our CEO and visionary to allow for the easier flow of funds from investors into the startup space. So it's been a long-term plan and a big vision. And we've been the leader. We were the first mover in this space. So we created this infrastructure to allow for all the collaboration necessary in these deals to happen within our system.
And what's your vision 2 years down the line?
2 years down the line, by having pretty much the entire early stage ecosystem in this one platform, the amount of collaboration that may exist, cross borders, syndication of deals, investments in other geographies, all of this will increase and increasing basically the good flow of money from smart investors into the good startups.
And how does it work with cost? Like when someone gets, let's say, a deal, do you take a percentage? Is it just straight out? Like, how does it work?
We don't get any percentage, so we're not a matchmaking service. That is something that very much distinguishes us, and we hold on to that very carefully. We are a software play. It's a platform play. So we get revenue from several of the groups who use our platform. Entrepreneurs have access to the suite of tools for free. They don't pay. Eventually, our vision is to really add on to the platform premium services that people can opt in for. But right now, we're not a matchmaker, and this is very important. We just provide infrastructure where entrepreneurs and investors can connect and collaborate.
As you can see, New York Tech Day showcased the most innovative companies on the market today. This is Aaron Herman. Thank you for watching.